Hello and welcome everybody to this brief XTB market update video. My name is Walid Koudmani, Chief Market Analyst for XTB. In this brief video, we're going to be covering the situation on the gold market. Very interesting at the start of the week, especially after last week's NFP report, which showed a big surprise as far as job growth in the US. So let's take a look at the chart and just see where we're at. This is the daily chart. So we've discussed this in the past, reaching near all-time highs in the past, middle April, end of April, and then pulling back. But at the moment, you can see testing a support area around 1950, so $1,950, as the US dollar index continues to strengthen, where we had some good signs from the US economy pointing to a potential increase of rates in the US. However, as of today, particularly, so Monday, we've seen a bit of a slowdown in the US data, and that actually has shifted expectations a little bit for the rate increase. So a little bit more of a mixed sentiment on both the US dollar and gold. But if we go on an hourly chart, just to zoom in on the situation, we can see here significant move. And actually, I'll take away the US dollar index. You can see here, just as we speak, breaking above with an upward gap after dropping slightly throughout the day. And you can see here about 2% downward move and then a 1% upward move, almost still hovering in this area that might be considered an important area, at least in the short term. So if I draw a rectangle here, you can see this area is the one being tested really, and as resistance here, support, and then once more support and resistance here. So I would keep an eye out potentially for this area. And then of course, as potential resistance, we can draw a line on the recent highs around 1984, even a little bit lower. And on the low end, potentially even around 1930. So you can see quite a significant range of about $50 up and down. But gold has been quite volatile. It has become one of the more interesting markets, particularly as US dollar continues to be very volatile, depending on obviously the data that I've discussed. So we have a lot more coming up during the week between data releases from the US and of course other events that we could keep an eye on. So we'll keep you up to date with XTB. My name is Walid Koudmani, Chief Market Analyst for XTB. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this was useful. Take care.